What if you could go from having absolutely no book idea to publishing an Amazon KDP book in less than 10 minutes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what BookFlipper AI claims to do. It says it can find profitable niches, analyze the competition, write an entire manuscript, design the cover, format everything for Amazon KDP, and even prepare it for publishing. But here's the real question. Can it actually do all of that? Or is this just another AI tool making big promises? In this video, I'm going to walk you through BookFlipper AI, show you its features, explain how it works, discuss its pros and limitations, and help you decide whether it's worth your money. And if you decide it's right for you, you'll find my affiliate link in the description. Using it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Quote, if you've ever looked into Amazon KDP, you already know the opportunity is real. Millions of books are sold on Amazon every year, and self-publishing has made it possible for independent creators to reach readers without a traditional publisher. The challenge isn't publishing a book. The difficult part is everything that comes before it. Finding a niche, researching demand, understanding competitors, writing content, creating a professional cover, formatting everything correctly, optimizing keywords and categories, and finally uploading it without errors. That's where BookFlipper AI says it can help by bringing those steps together into one platform. Quote, according to its sales page, BookFlipper AI isn't just an AI writer. Instead, it's presented as an all-in-one Amazon KDP publishing workflow. The platform says it helps users discover book niches, analyze competition, identify gaps in the market, generate a manuscript, create matching book covers, format the book for KDP, optimize categories and keywords, prepare the book for publishing. Rather than switching between several different tools, the idea is to complete the publishing process in one place. That's the main value proposition. Whether it delivers on that promise is what we'll explore. Quote, if you've ever tried publishing on Amazon KDP manually, you know it's not simply a matter of writing a book. You have to spend time researching niches, study competitors, read customer reviews, figure out what's missing, write content, edit it, design a cover, format the manuscript correctly, choose categories, optimize keywords, and only then upload everything. For beginners, that can feel overwhelming. BookFlipper AI aims to reduce that workload by automating much of the process. The goal isn't necessarily to remove all human involvement, but to streamline repetitive tasks and provide a structured starting point. Quote, the platform describes a 5-step workflow. First, it searches Amazon for potential book opportunities. Second, it analyzes existing books in that niche and looks for gaps based on available data and customer feedback. Third, it generates a manuscript and related publishing assets. Fourth, it prepares the book for Amazon KDP, including formatting. Finally, it helps organize and manage the publishing workflow. The appeal is having these stages connected instead of relying on separate services. Quote, so let's start with probably the most important feature. The AI niche discovery engine. Honestly, this is where many KDP beginners struggle the most. Most people pick a niche based on guesswork. They search Amazon, see a few books, think there's demand, spend days creating a book, then discover nobody is buying it. BookFlipper AI tries to avoid that. According to the platform, it scans Amazon listings and presents niche opportunities with estimated demand, competition levels, and other market indicators to help users compare ideas before starting a project. Rather than beginning with a random topic, the idea is to use available marketplace data as one input into your decision. That doesn't guarantee success, but it can make the research process more structured. Quote, feature number 2: competition and gap analysis. Next comes something that's actually interesting. Instead of only showing you a niche, BookFlipper AI says it analyzes existing books. It looks at what's already available and tries to identify areas where readers may be looking for improvements. The goal is to help you create a book that offers something different instead of copying what's already on Amazon. Again, it's a tool to assist your research, not a substitute for your own judgment, but it could save time compared with reviewing dozens of listings manually. Quote, Feature number 3: AI Manuscript Generator. Now we reach the feature most people will probably click for. The AI Book Generator. According to the sales page, the software can generate a full manuscript based on the niche and brief you've selected. That can dramatically reduce the time needed to produce a first draft. However, this is where I'd strongly recommend using AI responsibly. Treat the generated manuscript as a starting point. Review it, edit it, improve it, add your own expertise. Make sure the final book is accurate, original, and genuinely useful to readers. That extra effort can make a big difference in quality. Quote, Feature number 4: AI Cover Designer. Another feature included is the AI Cover Design Suite. Creating book covers yourself usually requires design skills or hiring a freelancer. BookFlipper AI aims to generate genre-appropriate cover concepts inside the platform. Even so, before publishing, it's worth checking that your cover stands out in your niche and follows Amazon's guidelines. Quote, Feature number 5: KDP Formatting. Formatting is one of those tasks that sounds easy until Amazon rejects your upload. Margins, headers, table of contents, interior formatting, front matter, back matter. BookFlipper AI says it prepares these elements so your manuscript is closer to Amazon KDP requirements. That could reduce manual formatting work, though it's still a good idea to review everything before publishing. Quote, This is actually what I like most. Instead of opening 5 or 6 different websites, research on one platform, writing on another, design somewhere else, formatting with another tool. BookFlipper AI tries to keep the workflow in one place. For people who value convenience, that could be one of its biggest advantages. Quote, I think BookFlipper AI could be useful for beginners exploring Amazon KDP, people who want a faster publishing workflow, side hustlers looking to create multiple books more efficiently, content creators who want assistance with research and drafting. On the other hand, if you're an experienced publisher with your own established workflow and specialized tools, you may find some features overlap with what you already use. Quote, What I like so far. 1. Dashboard. Niche research included. Competition analysis. AI manuscript generation. Cover creation. KDP formatting assistance. Beginner-friendly workflow. Those are meaningful conveniences if you currently juggle several separate tools. Quote, Nothing is perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. AI-generated content should always be reviewed and refined. Publishing success still depends on choosing a good niche, creating value for readers, and marketing effectively. And while the sales page includes earnings examples, those should be viewed as examples or marketing claims, not guarantees of what any individual user will earn. Like any business, results vary based on effort, execution, market conditions, and many other factors. Quote, Now let's talk about the price. At the time I'm recording this video, BookFlipper AI is available for a one-time promotional price according to the sales page, instead of an ongoing monthly subscription. If that pricing is still available when you're watching, it may appeal to users who prefer avoiding recurring software fees. That said, Always check the latest pricing on the official page because promotions can change. Quote. This is probably the biggest question. Why not just use ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant. It can help brainstorm ideas, draft content, and answer questions. But you'll still need to handle many publishing tasks yourself, such as niche research, cover creation, formatting, metadata, and organizing the workflow. BookFlipper AI, on the other hand, is designed specifically around the Amazon KDP publishing process. If your goal is building and managing KDP books, a dedicated workflow may be more convenient than assembling multiple separate tools. If you only need help writing, ChatGPT might already be enough. If you want an integrated publishing workflow, BookFlipper AI aims to fill that role. Quote. I think BookFlipper AI is worth considering if you're new to Amazon KDP. You want to speed up repetitive publishing tasks. You prefer an all-in-one workflow instead of switching between multiple tools. You plan to publish books consistently and want a more streamlined process. However, if you're expecting the software to automatically generate passive income without effort, that's not a realistic expectation. You'll still need to review content, improve quality, understand your audience, and follow Amazon's publishing policies. The tool can assist the process, but it doesn't replace thoughtful publishing. Quote. What stood out to me? All-in-one dashboard. AI niche discovery. Competition and gap analysis. Manuscript generation. AI cover creation. KDP formatting support. Beginner-friendly workflow. Potential time savings by reducing manual steps. There are also some limitations to keep in mind. AI-generated books should be edited before publishing. Publishing success isn't guaranteed. Niche selection and book quality still matter. The earnings examples shown on the sales page are marketing examples and shouldn't be treated as guaranteed results. Those are important considerations before buying any AI publishing tool. Quote. So, is BookFlipper AI a scam? Based on what I've reviewed, I wouldn't jump to that conclusion. It appears to be a tool designed to simplify several parts of the Amazon KDP workflow in one platform. Whether it's worth it depends on your goals. If you're looking for software that can help organize research, drafting, formatting, and publishing in one place, it may be worth exploring. If you're expecting instant success or guaranteed income, no software can honestly promise that. Your results will depend on the quality of your books, the niches you choose, how well you execute, and how consistently you publish. Quote. If you want to check out BookFlipper AI for yourself, I've left my affiliate link in the description below. If you purchase through that link, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel and allows me to keep making honest AI software reviews. If the promotional pricing is still available, you can compare the current offer and decide whether it fits your needs. And if you've already tried BookFlipper AI, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. Did it save you time? What worked well? What didn't? Your feedback could help other viewers make a more informed decision. Quote. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I review the latest AI tools, SaaS platforms, automation software, and online business resources every week. On screen right now, you'll see another AI tool review that you might find useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.